This is JP Rizal Street, the major thoroughfare here in Calapan City, and this street is central to the one-month celebration of the Santo Niño de Calapan festivities or festival here in Oriental Mindoro. This is the only Santo Niño celebration in the world celebrated in January 1 of every year.
Calapan City is the third-class city and is the gateway of the province Oriental Mindoro. Calapan is one of the fastest-growing cities in the Philippines in the past decade. The Santo Niño de Calapan Festival is envisioned to further boost tourism in the city and effectively place Calapan in the country's festival map.
Nag-start tayo noong December 1 ng Fluvial Parade na kung saan ay inikot natin ang atin pong Santo Niño sa kahabaan ng Kalawangan Lake sa Wawa at saka sa Barangay Baruyan. At doon nagkaroon ng Fluvial Parade, maraming taong sumama. And then marami pang activities at noong December 15 nag-start po yung mga nightly shows natin sa City Plaza hanggang December 23. Meron din tayong Calapeño Got Talent Grand Finals nung 23. And then nung 27 meron tayong Search for Little Mr. and Miss. And then 28 may variety show tayo sa City Plaza na dumating yung Shamrock, Rocksteady at si Miss Kitchi Nadal. And then 29 yung ating pong street party, yung Mardi Gras. And then nung December 30 meron tayong coronation night ng ating pong Miss Calapan. December 31, ito po yung pinakang highlight, yung Santo Niño de Calapan Festival na 4th year na natin ginagawa, ika-4th year na yung Santo Niño de Calapan Festival. Actually, nagsimula din ito nung ako ang chairman o hermano mayor ng City Fiesta. Ito yung street dancing ng Santo Niño. After kasi ng motorcade, na kung saan motorcade naman iniikot din kasama ang Santo Niño sa halos lahat ng 62 barangays hanggang sa makoronahan yung ating pong Santo Niño sa City Plaza. January 1, magkakaroon tayo ng Floral Parade, 3 o'clock ng hapon. And then right after ng Floral Parade, meron tayong Grand Procession. And then yung Grand Procession, ito yung pinakahihintay ng lahat, yung Grand Fireworks Display sa City Plaza. And then right after ng Grand Procession, meron tayong Celebrity Show. At marami pong darating na artista.
Ito na yata pinakamahabang fiesta.
Mahaba talaga, every year yan,
In the last couple of days leading to January 1, Calapeños were treated to a series of sensory spectacles.
I love Bagong! Mayor, kung ano lang makuha mo, bahala na ha? Sige, boss. Sige, hawakan mo ganyan. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Kunin mo, sige. Naku. Oh, in the count of 3, Mayor, bubuksan natin ha? Teka lang.
Mahal ha? Next ka na, mahal.
1, 2, 3! Butas pa rin, Mayor! Ay! Palagpakan natin si Mayor Lechon!
Jeff Tam and Brad Pitt!
That blows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
A colorful fiesta Mardi Gras. A breathtaking floral parade. From beautiful flowers, Calapeños ogled at beautiful lasses who vied for the crown of Miss Calapan. Meanwhile, the athletic set mustered their strength and determination as they took on the Calapan Mountain Bike Challenge. Amidst the noise and seemingly endless revelry, the month-long celebrations, the Santo Niño de Calapan Festival is more than anything else a showcase of Calapeños' faith in and gratefulness to divine providence, a spiritual gift that the Calapeños hope to share with the rest of the nation and the world.
Pasalamat po kay Santo Niño sa lahat ng sana may magandang taon pa na darating sa atin. Mas maganda kaysa sa mga nakaraan. And I would like to thank, of course, the Fiesta Committee headed by our Vice Mayor, ang ating Hermano Mayor, for making a good preparation as well as the implementation of all the activities which actually started December 1 of this year at kay Father Nesco. At sa lahat po na nag-abala, for those who are participating po para dito sa ikararangal ng isa, ng actually the only one who has been guiding us ever since kay Santo Niño. Ito ho ang nakakatuwa sa lungsod ng Calapan, no? Siguro kaya patuloy na binibigyan ng magandang syudad dahil sa buong Pilipinas, pampihira ang simula ng kapistahan ng Patrong Santo Niño nagsisimula sa lungsod ng Calapan. Sa buong mundo lungsod lang ng Calapan. Palakpakan po natin si Santo Niño. Hindi ko na ako mapakatagalan. I really thank everyone for making the city great, and I hope all of us will be together as we shout, I love Bagong. Maraming salamat po. God bless you.